Hello, I'm Sam Batley. I'm an artist and I'm an ex-service user. My experience as a service user myself, and then going on to be like a facilitator in the same service. Um, the services that I accessed were recovery services, specifically a recovery living centre for men in Wavertree, Liverpool 15. My experience with this is employing creativity with recovery values. Um, the benefits of been impressive for service users that are still there. We still run weekly groups, um, and we touch on a range of creative mediums such as photography, creative writing, painting. Um, the recovery ethos of Damien John Kelly House is one that is based around art, sport, and culture, and the idea of doing things as a community. So creativity really done together has tremendous benefits and transferable skills that can be a part of residents' wider recovery. Skills around belief, heightened self-esteem, and because of the honesty that exists within creativity and the arts, and the culture that's been created, that we operate on an idea that there is no like good or bad, it's just expression. So everybody's on the same playing field. Lads are encouraged to inform the sessions. So this is a for me a good example for successful service user collaboration, really, and creating a legacy for that. The main ethos behind One Day at a Time Boys, which is the project that takes place in Damien John Kelly House, is around employing recovery values within a creative setting. Values of open-mindedness, honesty, and willingness. I've not had any formal training for this. I've not studied the arts since coming into recovery myself, and being there. It was more about like being able to give something back. I think what's really important, like if we were to move forward to a model which is looking at engaging vulnerable communities and service users, it's to have people with experience of the of what it is that the service is providing. Therefore, to create authenticity within that and identification for service users to be engaged in. We've created a short film, a documentary which is just screened at Sheffield Dockfest. We've exhibited with Dead Pigeon Gallery in Liverpool, Open Air Gallery in Liverpool, and recently at Barnsley Civic, which there's a show there. The house itself, each resident has a camera. So all in all, the Damien John Kelly House houses 17 residents. So there's a creative culture that's already there, and it's accessible for people when they come in. So the outputs in regard to these exhibitions is a sense of community, a sense of belonging, and a sense of purposeness, which are all vital cornerstones in building a robust recovery. They are the opposite to addiction, really. So with this community and with this like creative ethos, lads have been at the house a little bit longer and being able to get involved. I've taken on new passions. I've got new hobbies. some of the residents and service users have been able to buy with the first purchase in recovery, being able to buy themselves a digital camera, and it's become a part of their own life, which for me I believe is a success. The visual element of it as well, and being able to raise more awareness of recovery, success stories of recovery, and changing the face of it, really. There's too many familiar stories around addiction and not enough with recovery, and the arts really help with the visualization of that.